Vande Mataram, class 9. Yesterday we have studied the swimmer who does not need her legs. Janaki was an handicapped swimmer. She desired to swim across the English Channel. When she conveyed this proposal of swimming to the authorities, swimming association authorities, they put two conditions. First one is staying in water 10 hours continuously or at a stretch. Second one is doing marathon race. Janaki began the training with a lot of hardships. बहुत कठिन परिश्रम धरी से अटेम्प्ट करिथिला तापर जेतोर से सिलेक्ट हेगला सर्टिफाइड हेगला व्हेन शी was certified the swimming association authorities were quite shocked to see such a physically handicapped girl who was swimming across the English Channel. Let us go to the para 7th second scene. They were worried. They were worried, said Janaki. They means here the workers or the authorities of swimming associations, the channels of swimming association. They were worried, and they kept a sharp eye on me during my training runs. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯେଉଁ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମର ମୋର ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଜାନକୀ କହୁଛନ୍ତି until my training completed they were watching, they were keeping a sharp eye on me. They were worried. They refers to ଯେତିକି ଆମର ସ୍ୱିମିଂ ଇଂଲିଶ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ୱିମିଂ ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଦିଆହେଲା the channel swimming officials ଗୁଡ଼ିକ. I trained for about 3 weeks under the famous channel coach Stella Streeter. Janaki trained for about 3 weeks under the famous channel coach Stella Streeter. But when I told them that I wanted to make a solo attempt, Janaki wanted to make a solo attempt. Solo attempt means there is no competitors. जड़े ही संतरणकारी जड़े ही स्विमर सेठे थिबे जी की से एकाकी पहरिबा को कहउतले. सोलो अटेम्प्ट मीन्स चैनल स्विमिंग का दुटी प्रक्रिया रे गोटेला सोलो आ गोटेला रिले मीन्स दलीय भाव इन ए ग्रुप. सोलो मीन्स नो कॉम्पिटिटर्स, सिंगल अटेम्प्ट, सिंगल स्विमर. They said they did not have a special boat. Okay, they did not have the special boat to accompany. Accompany means go with. Accompany means go with. Okay, ता सहित जिबा जानकी सहित गोटे स्पेशल बोट प्रोवाइड करिवार प्रोविजन ही नथिला. इवन दो जानकी wanted a solo attempt as a swimmer, but the channel association authorities did not have a special boat to accompany Janaki. This was in case I needed to be lifted out of the water. This was in case जोड़ा कि जा साजरे मते पानी रो ऊपर को उठा ही निया जाय परियो to be lifted out of the water. So it was decided that I would be part of a relay team. Janaki wanted a solo attempt. No competitors were there, no rivals were there. कौन सी प्रतिद्वंदी किए नथिबे, जणे ही स्विम करिया चाहुथिले. किंतु एते बडो चैनल रे in the big channel no boat was well provisioned to accompany the girl. Perhaps it was needed to Janaki, it was needed the swimmer to be lifted out of the water so that it was decided that Janaki would be a part of a relay team. Okay, next para 9, para 8. The channel swim can be done in two ways. First one is solo, other is relay swim. One is solo, no competitors, जड़े ही संतरणकारी थिबे, एकाकी ये करुथिबे individually. Second है relay team in a group swim. 6 swimmers from a team and they each do a minimum of 2 hours of swimming. 6 swimmers were there. गोटे ग्रुप रे relay team रे गोटे ग्रुप रे 6 जन नेकी गोटे दल गठन करिवे, गोटे ग्रुप गठन करिवे. से माने अति कम रे मिनिमम ऑफ 2 आवर्स स्विम करिवे. से माने रिले टीम कथा कह जाउची. इन रिले टीम 6 स्विमर्स फॉर्म ए टीम. 6 स्विमर फॉर्म मीन्स गठन, फॉर्म मीन्स गठन करे. FROM फॉर्म माने ठारो, FORM फॉर्म मीन्स गठन करिवे. 6 स्विमर फॉर्म ए टीम. ओके, रिले टीम. And they each do, each one does minimum of 2 hours of swimming. Now the other swimmer in the team, mostly Americans, were amazed to see that Janaki could swim. Amazed means surprised. Amazed means surprised, आश्चर्य होइजिबा, चकित होइजिबा, एस्टोनिश होइजिबा ना. बुझी एबे दल रे थिबा अन्य जति स्विमर्स गुडी थिले मोस्टली अमेरिकन्स एंड दे वर सरप्राइज्ड टू सी जानकी कुड स्विम. जानकी पहुंच पारुछे, ए फिजिकली हैंडिकैप्ड वन. एंड टू ऑनर हर, से माने द पार्टिसिपेंट्स. ओके, टू ऑनर हर, ताको सम्मान देबा. हर मीन्स जानकी. They named the relay team Janaki's Maritime Express. Janaki जेहेतु Janaki was able to swim, से प्रकार enthusiasm, से प्रकार curiosity जो देखा जाइथिला, braveness, courageous, ए प्रकार जिनस पई से कहला the Americans who were amazed to see Janaki as a swimmer of the English Channel, they named their team, they named their group team, relay team, Janaki's Maritime Express. Janaki's Maritime Express. Why? Only to honor her, ताको सम्मान दबा में. Needless to say, it is needless to say, every member of the team other than Janaki was physically normal. Who is physically abnormal? Janaki. कौन कहला? Every member of the team other than Janaki was physically normal. है. Next, let us go to the para 9. Paragraph 9. Listen, the unique attempt was, the relay attempt, okay, was made on 28 July 1992. My fight, Janaki say, my fight in the course of swim, during the time of swimming, my fight, my struggle, how to face the swimming. The swimming was against nature. प्रकृति विरोधी थिला. एते स्मूथली रोहन होतला. बहुत हार्डशिप, there were so many hardships stands on her struggle, on her fight to swim across the English Channel. The channel waters were so cold that I needed much more energy than usual to keep my arms moving. कौन कहले से? The channel waters. What are the channel waters? Channel means प्रणाली. The channel waters were so cold. एते ठंडा थिला जे I needed much more energy. I means Janaki, the physically unable, handicapped girl. I needed much more energy than usual to keep my arms moving. तार हाथ गोड़ हलेबा पई, मूव करबा पई बहुत असुविधा होतला. आ बहुत एनर्जी चाहूतला. कहीं ना चैनल वाटर्स प्रणाली रो पानी बहुत एते ठंडा, मूव मध्य होई पारु नथिला. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. Second, then I had the problem of my legs moving to left or to right. First, what was the first problem? Water was cold. Due to cold water, she needed much more energy to keep her arms moving. Second, she had the problem of her legs moving to left or to right. Whichever way the waves were moving, whichever way, तरंग गुड़िक वेव मीन्स तरंग बुझे ना नहीं तरंग गुड़िक जो दिगरे आसिले से चाहूले हाथ गोड़ हलैबार असुविधा होता. Okay, next. So I really needed a lot of energy. The water was salty. Third point, the water was salty, लुणिया थिला, and when it entered my mouth, पहुँचुवा समय रे while swimming, when the salty water entered to her mouth, she felt sick. से असुस्थ अनुभव करथिले. Sick means ill. से असुस्थ अनुभव करुथिले. And then there were seaweeds and jellyfish. Seaweeds means गोटे सामुद्रिक उद्भिद गुड़िक. ओके, जेलीफिश गोटे माछ, जेली बोल गोटे माछ, छोट छोट माछ सीवीड्स गुड़िक थे. पहरुवा समय कौन करते दिज फिश केप्ट स्टिकिंग टू माय बॉडी. बॉडी को कामुड़ला पूरा टच कले तो गोटे ऑकवर्ड लगे बुझे ना. तेणु कह आई फेल्ट सिक and then there were seaweeds and jellyfish. These fish kept sticking kamudiba to my body and I felt uncomfortable. Janaki felt uncomfortable. What are the struggles? First point, the channel waters were so cold. To move her arms, she needed much more energy. First point. Second, she had the problem of her legs moving to left or to right because it was unknown whichever way the waves come. Third point, the water was very salty. When it entered the mouth, she felt sick. And fourth point, there were some jellyfishes and seaweeds and they kept sticking to her body. These are the 4 points and Janaki felt uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. Para 10, however, despite these problems, okay, ये problems गुड़िक जो कहला करो थिबा सत्वे मध्य Janaki successfully did the shore of the रिले. जनकी कौन करथिले जनकी से रिले रे से पहुँच जाइथिले तांकर कृतित्व तांकर अचीवमेंट रे. She swam for about 2 hours and helped the relay team cross 36 kilometer channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. 14 घंटा 45 मिनिट रे 36 किलोमीटर से स्विम करथिले. ओके, Janaki's parents para 11, Mr. Nagpa and Mrs. Indirama had anxiously means worriedly. Okay, Janaki's parents and Mr. Nagpa. Janaki's parents who were Janaki's parents, Mr. Nagpa and Mrs. Indirama, had anxiously stood on the Dover beach. Dover beach पाखरे से मैंने पूरा व्यस्त ही ठिया होइतिले. कौन पे तांको झियो गोटे अचीवमेंट आड़ को गति करुच. They were completely fully worried and wondering how things would turn out. मैंने सरप्राइज हो जाउतिले समय किपरि को अवस्था रे गति करूतिला. तांको झियो माने एते बड़ स्ट्रगल माने एडवेंचरस गोटे शो करुँचे से दुसाहसिकर यात्री से दुसाहसिक अभियान माने अचीवमेंट एडवेंचरस अचीवमेंट शो जो करुँचे सो दैट हर पेरेंट्स वेर वरीड से कहते वी कुड नॉट ईट ए सिंगल मोर्सेल किसी खाद्य किसी मैंने खाई भी नथिले सिंगल मोर्सेल इज ए कलेक्टिव नाउन सिंगल मोर्सेल मध्य से खाई नथिले मिस्टर नागपा कहते मिस्टर नागपा सेड ओके वी कुड नॉट ईट वी मीन्स मिस्टर नागपा एंड मिसेस इंदिरा वी कुड नॉट ईट ए सिंगल मोर्सेल हाउ कुड वी ईट व्हेन आवर डॉटर वाज डूइंग समथिंग सो डेंजरियस आम किपर खाईपर से कहते हाउ कुड वी ईट व्हेन आवर डॉटर was doing something so dangerous, something so adventurous for us old people. Spelling error is POPLE. For us old people, it was really very agonizing. What is agonizing? Agonizing means it is हमको agonizing. Agonizing means worried, mental anguish, pain. इटा पेन को बुझेबो वरीड को बुझेबो फॉर अज ओल्ड पीपल ना मान ओल्ड पीपल को इ प्रकार एडवेंचरस थिंग्स देखिबा इट वाज वेरी रियली पेनस्टेकिंग एगोनाइजिंग बट दे डॉटर डिड त्रियुम्फ मीन्स विक्ट्री विजय लाभ करिबा बट दे डॉटर डिड त्रियुम्फ एंड बिकेम द फर्स्ट हैंडिकैप्ड स्विमर became the first handicapped swimmer to swim the English Channel. English प्रणाली रे English Channel रे माने swim करिबा first handicapped swimmer थिले became the first handicapped swimmer हला एटा 9 10 11 पैराग्राफ में कोन सिखले पैराग्राफ 9 रे हम सिखले जे तकर किपर स्ट्रगल करथिले व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स What were the problems while swimming? 10 paragraph 10 में बुझले जे केते माने 14 घंटा 45 मिनट से 36 किलोमीटर चैनल को क्रॉस करथिल हैविंग दोज प्रॉब्लम्स 11 रे ताको बापा मां की परि वरीड थिल हाउ मिस्टर नागपा एंड मिसेस इंदिरा मा वेर वरीड अबाउट द एडवेंचरस गर्ल एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट How कौन जानले Janaki was the first handicapped swimmer to part the English Channel. Let us move to the paragraph 12.